Life is a mystery, filled with subtle hints and signs that whisper to us, pointing towards something greater. These signs are not mere coincidences. They are like hidden treasures waiting to be discovered by us. They show us that we might be more than just spectators in the theater of life, that we might be the chosen ones, destined to play a special role. Have you ever wondered in a moment of silence if there is a deeper meaning to your life? These small, almost imperceptible moments when something seems to stir within you are the signs to pay attention to. They are the quiet whisperers telling you that you are meant for something special. They are the gentle nudges reminding us that we might have a unique mission in this universe. In this article, we will explore the world of these signs. We will learn how to recognize them, what they want to tell us, and how they can help us find our true self and our destiny. It's about opening our eyes to the invisible and sharpening our ears to what lies beyond the obvious. It's about deciphering the subtle messages that life sends us and understanding that we might be the chosen ones, destined to walk a special path. 1. The pursuit of more. Do you know the feeling that the everyday just isn't enough? For the chosen ones, everyday life is like a tight shoe that pinches and squeezes. They feel that something greater is waiting for them out there. It's not just the desire to break out of routine or question societal norms. It goes deeper. It's an inner longing for a life filled with meaning and purpose. You don't just want to exist, you want to make an impact. Something that goes beyond the ordinary. It's as if an inner voice whispers to you, there is more for you. And you listen, because you know this voice is right. 2. The power of challenges. Have you ever noticed how the greatest stories always involve challenges? For the chosen ones, these challenges are not just obstacles, but opportunities for growth. Yes, the life of a chosen one is often a rocky path, but each of these stones shapes you. They make you stronger, wiser, and more capable. When you face these challenges, you discover abilities in yourself that you didn't even know you had. You learn to help others who might be fighting their own battles. Every difficulty, every stumbling block is a lesson that teaches and shapes you. They are not there to break you, but to help you discover your true strength. 3. The savior and healer in you. Imagine having a gift that goes far beyond the self, a gift that lies in the ability to help others and enrich their lives. This is the hallmark of a chosen one. You often find yourself in the role of savior or healer. Not because you have to, but because it's in your nature. It's as if you feel an invisible connection to those who need help. Your selfless attitude and your willingness to be there for others make you a beacon of hope. You are the one who brings light into the darkness, the one who heals wounds, not just with medicine, but also with compassion and understanding. 4. The insatiable search for truth. Think back to your youth. Do you remember constantly questioning the deep need to understand the world around you? This is another sign of being chosen. You're not a follower who blindly goes along with the masses. No, you're a seeker of truth. Your heart and mind are always searching for answers for the deeper meaning of life. You're driven by a curiosity that leads you to explore the mysteries of life. You know that the true answers often lie within yourself, and you're ready to look deep inside to find them. Your quest for truth is not just a journey of self-discovery, but also a way to enlighten the world around you. 5. The black sheep, a sign of being chosen. Do you sometimes feel like the black sheep in your family or circle of friends? As if you're somehow different, not quite fitting into the usual picture? This feeling of being an outsider is not just a random sensation. It could actually be a sign of your being chosen. Your uniqueness, your feeling of not quite belonging, is not a flaw. It's an indication that you're meant for something greater. It's as if life is calling you to follow your own unique path, a path that sets you apart from the crowd and leads you to your true self. 6. A pure heart that gives. Have you ever noticed how, despite all adversities and disappointments, you tend to be kind and help others? Your ability to do good, even when you get little in return, is a true treasure. This giving nature is a clear sign of your uniqueness and your being chosen. It's as if there's an inexhaustible well of kindness and compassion inside you. You give because it's in your nature, because it's what makes you who you are. Your pure heart and selfless attitude are a beacon of hope in a world that sometimes focuses too much on taking. 7. The inner knowledge of an old soul. Do you know the feeling as if you've lived countless lives, as if your thoughts and feelings extend far beyond your years? This feeling of being an old soul is not just a fleeting sensation. It's a deep inner knowledge that tells you that you're meant for something great. You feel a connection to wisdom and insights that go far beyond the ordinary. It's as if you've always known that your role in this world is a special one, a role that aims to Bring about change and influence the world in a way that few can. 8. The light that challenges others. Have you ever experienced how your mere presence, your way of being, causes discomfort in others? Sometimes the goodness and light in you can highlight the darkness in others. It's important to understand that this says more about them than about you. Your inner light, your kindness, your integrity, your love, is a force that cannot be dimmed. It will continue to illuminate the world, even if it sometimes meets resistance. Your light is a gift, a tool for change, and a symbol of hope in a world that sometimes desperately needs it. 9. Unwavering trust in the universe. Imagine standing on a rock, surrounded by the infinite expanse of the universe, feeling a deep connection to everything that exists. This feeling is the unwavering trust in the universe or a higher power that many chosen ones carry within themselves. You understand that life is not random chaos, but follows a higher plan. This deep trust allows you to let go of negativity and not be influenced by those who don't understand you. It's as if you're riding a wave of destiny, secure in the knowledge that everything that happens is part of a greater whole. Diversity of life. Every path is unique. It's important to recognize that not everyone identifies with the characteristics of a chosen one described here, and that's perfectly okay. Every person is unique, and each life path has its own value and beauty. It's not about meeting certain criteria that makes our life meaningful, but about how we walk our own path with all its highs and lows, joys and challenges. Life is a diverse and rich experience, and each of us contributes in our own way to the greater whole. Whether we feel like chosen ones or not, our existence has meaning, and our individual contributions are important. It's about living our authentic selves and finding and appreciating our own unique path. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.